Okay, this is the blizzard of 2010 in Bern Township. Dennis has cleared the truck of snow. Okay, honey, what do you think of the snow?
I think it's garbage.
He's trying to save the branches from our poor tree whose limbs are now on the ground. This is crazy. Oh, crazy person driving. Can't see the highway, but there are people out there driving on the road. The truck is huge and buried, but the plow guy cleared the road, and you probably can't see the big giant pile, but he cleared the road so Dennis could pull the truck out of the yard. And it's still coming down. There's my poor tree, and there's my poor hedge. It's all gone.
I can tell that it's a truck again.
Yeah? And my car is buried. Way buried. That's so sad. My car is not as tall as the snow. It's going to be a nightmare to get out. Crazy stuff.